And that's the tomorrow's push, the Uhuru Peak. I'm feeling very, very happy. That's Mount Meru. Let's go. We are this close to the summit, and this is like I can't explain it. Nobody likes to go back after coming till here. We have put in so much of effort, so much of time, so much in preparation, and now going back from here. Thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you. People are congratulating us. Next few moments, we're gonna be on Uhuru Peak. The long winding one. We are on the roof of Africa. People often ask me, why do I climb difficult mountains? Why do I trek in dense forests? Why do I ride on rough roads? Why do I choose such adventurous activities even at this age? When I reflect, I have just one thing to say. Nature makes me feel alive. When I am in nature, I feel deeply connected to everything around me. The mountains, the rivers, the valleys, the forest, the sun, the wind, and the rain. They all awaken something within me.
This frame is nice.
Whether I am trekking through dense forests or scaling high peak, whether I am riding rough roads or diving into an adventure, it's that pure energy of nature that keeps me going. When I am in nature, there's no one to judge. There's nothing to prove. There's nothing on my mind. It's just being one with the whole. It is more than a meditation for me. I go back to nature again and again to experience that pure energy. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಕಾರ್ದುಂಗ್ಲಾ ಪಾಸ್ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. The highest motorable road in the world. Yeah, this is Kardungla Pass. Come here. I'm so excited. We both are here. Is it cold? It's snowing right now. Sun has to cross these mountains, so it might take 5-10 minutes more. So by 6:15, 6:20, I can see the bright sun from here.
From past 10 minutes, I'm sitting here. This flowing water, the birds, the wind, and the greenery. It's so soothing, isn't it? You're just all alone.
In all my adventures, you can see one thing in common. That is Columbia. My association with Columbia Sportswear Company has grown into a long and trusted journey. A gear that's truly tested tough is a part of my every adventure story. Columbia's tested tough gears are part of me for more than a decade. I proudly own a full wardrobe of their products. On every adventure, every terrain, every climate, Columbia has been with me. I have extensively used their products while trekking through the rain-soaked Western Ghats, while battling freezing winds in the Himalayas, while climbing the all-terrain mountain, the mighty Kilimanjaro. Be it in India or abroad, Columbia has kept me protected through it all. After close to 1.5 hours hike or climb, our guide has given a break of 5 minutes. So we have to drink water, sit for a few minutes, eat few chocolates, and then again keep going. This is high altitude trek. In 2017, being the first winner of the Tested Tough competition, I got an opportunity to trek to the Everest Base Camp. What more could I ask for? Thrilling expedition of EBC, my favorite brand to support my adventurous journey, enthusiastic fellow trekkers and like-minded people, and a lifetime of memories to cherish. Recently, I came across their Instagram post introducing Columbia Hike Society in India. The Hike Society existed in the US for many years, but its new beginning here in India. Columbia Hike Society is a beginner-friendly community for anyone curious about the outdoors. Through hiking activity, they encourage participants to experience and connect with nature. After Delhi and Mumbai, they announced hiking activity for Bengalurians. I was thrilled. I was curious. This was a great opportunity here in Bangalore to associate myself again with Columbia. I quickly filled in the form and eagerly waited for the selection list. I was excited to find myself in the list of 40 participants. Though I have conducted many hikes and treks through the Phantom Trail, being a participant of the Columbia Hike Society was very exciting. The activity of the day was hiking 5 kilometers in the outskirts of Bangalore near Kanakpura. All of us were expected to meet at the designated start point as early as 7:30 a.m. It was amazing to see a whole bunch of enthusiastic explorers. People from different backgrounds with varied interests came together to form a community, to form a team. After the initial introduction and briefing for the day, each of us received our goodie bags from Columbia Hike Society. With much curiosity and enthusiasm, we started hiking.
On rock in front of us, like we would hold our hands on it and use our hands to hold it, like, right? And use our feet that, you put your hand in the crack and then you make different shapes with your hand and then you pull your body on it. So it's called crack climbing. And so it's a different discipline in climbing. And it's quite fun. I'd like you to go try it out. Put your hand in the crack.
Throughout the hike, our leaders shared their experiences and their knowledge. They also shared some important tips and techniques with us. I got an opportunity to connect with wonderful people through this journey.
At the temple. I can hold this. Yeah. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. The wooden. Woo! You're a part of Woodlanders, it was nice meeting you. Bring it in. Bring it in. Thank you so much. It was. This today was good.
And that was Columbia Hike Society, Bengaluru. What a time we all had. Great arrangements. Fantastic guys. I'm so happy to meet every participant. The organizers were so good. And the Columbia Sportswear. Fantastic time. Great team. I got to meet so many new people, like-minded people. Oh, this was very nice. Thanks to Columbia Sportswear India. Thank you so much. The Phantom Trail stands by a powerful belief: it's never too late. This initiative encourages people of all ages and all backgrounds to explore the outdoors and connect with nature. The Phantom Trail welcomes you to begin your journeys. Let's hike together. Let's trek together. Let's reignite the forgotten love for nature and the outdoors. Let's simply slow down and breathe in the wonderful nature around us. Phantom says, it's never too late. Life is so beautiful. There's so much to explore. There is so much to experience.